In a shocking and controversial move, IT giant Infosys laid off around 400 trainee employees from its Mysuru campus on February 7, with reports suggesting more terminations are imminent, media reports stated. While Infosys claims employees voluntarily signed their release agreements, affected trainees tell a different story, one of coercion, intimidation, and disregard of dignity, the reports added. Many of the sacked employees were summoned via confidential emails, warning them not to discuss the matter. They were then escorted in batches of 50 to guarded rooms, where security personnel oversaw the signing of mutual separation letters. Some had waited over 2 years to join the company only to be abruptly dismissed. A major concern raised by trainees is that the international assignments were intentionally made tougher to reduce workforce costs. This is inhumane, said one terminated employee, describing how the company ensured secrecy by strategically parking buses to shield the firings from others on campus. Reportedly, a female trainee unable to secure immediate transportation was denied permission to stay overnight. Many struggled to find transport home, left anxious about explaining their sudden return to families. Infosys defended its action, citing a long-standing process where freshers undergo foundational training and must clear assignments. All freshers get 3 attempts. Failure results in termination as per contract, the company stated. However, trainees argue that 2024's assignment criteria were far tougher than in previous years. The incident has sparked concerns about corporate ethics in mass layoffs and the mental well-being of affected employees. NITES, an IT employee welfare group, claims the actual number of terminations is higher and has urged government intervention. The backlash continues as debate over Infosys handling of freshers intensify, the reports stated further.